Well, hello. It's time to make worm casting tea for your plants, and you only need a few ingredients. What you need to get is a 5-gallon pail of water. Make it non-chlorinated water. Fill it up. Get yourself a jar of molasses. Open it up. Molasses is really thick. Get yourself a tablespoon of molasses. Apply it into your water. Mix it up so that way it'll become diluted, or it mixes good and well with your water. It won't be stuck on the bottom. Once that's mixed up, you prepare your worm castings. Put them into a sack that's like a pantyhose material. This was included with my worm bucket system. Apply it into your bag. Tie your bag up. And the next thing you do is set up your water pump. I have an Influx Bay one, but use what you have. Now all you have to do now is put your stones inside of your water. Place your bag inside and let it brew for 24 hours. So that way it'll get the microbes to eat the nice molasses and get them active. You're causing aerobic situation where everything's lively. So once you allow it to brew for 24 hours, here's what you do next. The final step for me to do now is just disconnect my pump, take this bag out, open it up, and just put these castings into my garden, and put my worm casting tea in my bottles and give it to the people that I said I would at this worm workshop at the YMCA. So here's that video to check out about my worms at the YMCA. See you in the next one.